Alright, today I want to do an unboxing of this Rust-Oleum truck bed kit. Just got it, and it's an epoxy two-part truck bed liner kit. You can see it came shipped just in that box, and so this box has been bouncing around a little bit. Looks like there's pretty good instructions on it. Prep, mask, apply. Metal, concrete, wood. We are going to do a full 8-foot long truck tail bed. So it comes with a roller and a foam brush. And from my previous experience, this is definitely disposable. You can't really wash this stuff. I mean, you can try, but kind of a one-time use. Here's some better instructions. One thing that kind of threw me off is it comes in a plastic sack. But let's get to the rest of what's in this kit because it's a full kit. There's 2 nitrile or latex gloves. There's a really inexpensive bristle brush, which once again I said that's disposable. And then here's a really rough sanding pad. That feels kind of like 80 grit or something. Oh, 60 grit. Made in the UK. That's awesome. Okay, and so then the other thing that I read about this is it does come in this bag, and it's a 2-part bag. So you have to open it up and mix the part B with the part A. And somebody suggested that dump it into a pail and mix it in a normal plastic bucket instead of trying to mix it in the bag. So I believe that's what we're going to do. But anyway, that's unboxing. That's the Rust-Oleum Premium Professional Grade truck bed system. I'll have another video when we actually install it to show you how that works.